Hey everybody, it's the Walkers. What are we doing today? Well, today we are at the Swiss Army knife factory sale. Let's go. Oh, zombie green. Right. How's it going? Say no people here. I know people here.
Hey, the watches are right here.
I see the watches. You know I'm going for the knives, right? You know that. You know.
Of course you are.
Yeah. You walk around, look.
You gotta get a bigger basket.
Sure. I gotta get a bigger wallet.
$14.99. Yeah, that's a skew, I guess.
People can still make choices and buy it. We have corporate bars. I don't even know something's got some color matter. Something kind of did it go
And then
just running stuff? Yeah.
These would be good for PSKs.
You guys have too much money.
Oh, yeah, really. nice looking bag. Red Pro. No sternum strap though. That's a major bummer.
No, I think that's what the lady told me before. They weren't going to make them anymore.
No, I like that.
It has like different pockets.
It's not snap, but dress shirts.
My favorite color.
For me, I'm using
It says shorts, the hybrid shorts.
Right, the hybrid ones, yep.
Or they're palm color.
Yeah.
Good deal.
That's what's good and what's bad. Sometimes you find something like that, but then sometimes people find one and they want like four. Water resistant.
inspired to wear them, but I felt much better about wearing it. A little safer. Yeah, absolutely. These are literally the best peelers.
Oh, they are?
So I don't personally know about this one. I'm sure that they're both great, but this peeler is like, my mom, I gave her one and she was like, oh my god, get me more. So I have to buy her a bunch. It is so like sharp.
It's nice. I have the old school trekker. Looks bigger than the camper. Disney has a camper right there. Different. I don't know what this knife is. Looks like still got a knife. All right. I think these knives are $9.99 or Huntsman. Or something like that. I don't know what they are. We'll find out later. We're also giving one away, so you have a vested interest in knowing as well. Got a pile of good stuff here. Got to shop around a little more this time though. Find yourself really good deals.
That's 88, 89.90, $100.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
So you can buy 100 pieces US,
Separated, or is it okay if I staple them?
and they look legit.
Excellent. Thank you. You'll have hope before I throw it in the bag.
Yes.
That's a good idea. Thank you very much.
But these are the big ones.
I love this place.
How was it?
Pretty good. Pretty good.
Good.
Let's take the stuff to the woods. We're in the woods. Let's see what we got for $87.58, including tax. Man, this is like Christmas. Oh man. Whoa. You got a lot of stuff. There we are. $87.58. Let's see what we got. Okay. We got I don't know, like $4.99, something like that for this belt. 25 cents each. That was a good deal. I think these are like $1 each. I'll find something to use them for. There are knife sheaths. One more of these. Cut resistant gloves. $1 each. Just one glove in here. I'm thinking when I go out winter camping or breaking up wood or working with edge tools, these might be really good. They're pretty lightweight. I got the little or heavier duty ones because they fit looser. You don't want tight fitting stuff, especially winter camping. We'll test these out later. So we had 2 of those. There's a sheath. I think these are like 99 cents, I think. $4.99 each. I don't know. You know, probably cheaper than anywhere else. These actually work pretty good. Although, be careful, the handles sometimes will separate from the fire steel. $4.99. These are awesome. These little paring knives. There's another one here somewhere. Right in the bag. Huh. I was sure I had another one here. Well, I'll look later on. Maybe it fell out of the bag. In here, maybe? Well, it's somewhere. But in any case, these little paring knives are awesome. Wait. Aha, here we go. I knew I had it. $4.99 each. These are fantastic. Really fantastic knives. $2.99 each. These are awesome too. My favorite color. Small blade. Big handle. Bet you I got use for the sheath almost already. So we got 2. These were $9.99 each. These, I believe, are Huntsman. I got 4 of them. That is an awesome deal. Before the giveaway, we have to cook the sacred bacon. A day this good demands it. After lunch, talk about the giveaway. Okay, so I think the basis of our kit will be the Huntsman. Obviously, we're going to need a ferro rod. No question about that. And we're going to need something to hold water. So I think we'll go with this right here. And we're going to need something to put it all in. Well, at least the knife anyways. So we'll take this sheath. Oh, nice leather on that. With the Swiss Army knife Victorinox logo there. The knife will go in here, like so. Oh, that's perfect. That is perfect. And then, well, the fire steel, you can put this right here. It'll probably be loose, so I would, if you actually field this in the woods, if you're the lucky winner, my advice, use this rope here. And the retention isn't like all that bad. I really had better than I thought. You could tie it, loop it through like this maybe. I think it might do a good job. That's perfect. There we are. And of course, I'll put up a link to how to properly, or at least how I use a Swiss Army knife to strike a ferro rod. So, all right, this is the Swiss Army knife survival kit that if you win the giveaway, this is what you're going to get. Wow, that looks cool. I'm going to make myself one of these because it looks pretty neat. So how do you get your awesome Swiss Army knife survival kit? You enter the Walker's giveaway. That's how you do it. Okay, there are 4 rules to the giveaway. Rule number 1, you have to be a sub of my channel. Rule number 2, you have to say, I'm in. Rule number 3, it must be legal for you to possess these items in your jurisdiction. Rule number 4, you have to live in the United States or Canada. Sorry, it's a shipping thing, you know? What I'm going to do is I will let this run for 1 month. I will pick the winner assuming that you followed all 4 difficult to follow rules. I will pick the winner via random generator. I'll assign each person a number, I'll put them in a pad, then run it through a random generator, and the winner will then receive a message from me through YouTube. And then after that, I'll send it via priority mail and give you the tracking number if you're the lucky winner. Once I put it in the mailbox and give you the tracking number, I'm done with it. So if the U.S. Postal Service loses it, don't blame the Walker. All right, so that's about it. If you like what you've seen, hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and as always, thanks a lot for watching, and I really had fun at the show, and I hope you had fun there too.